I'm just checking the base of the post to see how bad it is. As you can see, it's pretty rotten, but I think there's enough post left to where we can still repair it. So I've braced the fence with this old 2x4 to make sure that it's level or plumb. We've prepped our hole and straightened our fence. Now I'm going to install the E-Z Mender. Now I'm going to finish the installation with these 2.5-inch strong drive SD connector screws. Okay, it's time to remove our brace. And it looks like we've got a mended post and a straightened fence.